Hi children, welcome to 10th standard second language English YouTube classes. Dear children, we know that we have started the second lesson of 10th standard in the previous class called There is a Girl by the Tracks. Am I right children? So that we have discussed about this picture in the previous class and also this one, and that we have learnt how Roma Talreja had met with an accident and how Baleshwara Mishra had come to help her, and also that we come to know that why didn't the people of Mumbai afraid to help others. Am I right? So this is what that we have learnt in the previous class children. Okay, Mumbai is a heavy density, more density highly density populated city children. That is why it's a regular scene. This picture is a regular scene in Mumbai and almost all the metropolitan cities children. And this is the suburban railway train, and it is a station there. And there Roma, when she was returning home, when she was trying to settle in the corner of the ladies compartment, that all of a sudden that she was pushed and lost her tennis foothold and was fell off from the moving train. She was thrown out of the moving train, isn't it? So that she became senseless. The guy from opposite train called Baleshwara Mishra had seen the guy in the black salwar kameez lying by the track children. So he immediately rushed to pull the train's emergency red chain. When he pulled the chain children, the train the speed of the train become very slow, and all the people who were in the compartment, they shouted, "There is a girl by the tracks." Got it children? When they shouted, everyone looked up towards that girl. Who is that girl children? It's a Roma Talreja. Am I right children? So but nobody came forward to help that lady, help that girl, and a 20-year Baleshwara Mishra who was pulled the chain of the emergency chain of the train children, he rushed to help that lady, girl. And this was what yesterday that we had seen, okay, where Roma had fallen by the track, okay. And it's an imaginary picture of Roma Talreja, my dear children. Got it, children? Yes. So, here that we have stopped in the previous class. Got it? Okay. Baleshwara Mishra jumped off from the moving train. Got it? He jumped off from the moving train in order to help the girl. When he jumped from that moving train, that train again started the speed and it disappeared. And now he sprinted back towards the Roma Talreja. Got it? Got it, children? Yes. Let us see what happened next. Okay. Baleshwar was far away from Roma. He couldn't see her. "I hope I am not too late," he thought. Gasping for breath, after running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of her tracks. "Behan ji, aap theek hai?" he asked. "Sister, are you okay?" But there was no response, and there was no help in sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations. Somewhere between the two stations, 5 kilometers apart in the Thane district, which borders to Mumbai. Look at the paragraph, my dear children, here. So here, after jumping from the moving train, Baleshwar, he ran back, he sprinted back towards the Roma. When he went near the girl children, he himself asserted, I hope I am not too late," he thought. See, it may ask in your extract children, who is I here? Very good. It's a Baleshwara Mishra. Why he is thinking that he is not too late? Yes, he is thinking that he is not too late because he wished to save that girl. Okay, that is why that he says, I hope that I am not too late. In the sense, ಕೈ ಜಾರಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ಅವಳು ಸತ್ತೇ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಇನ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ದೇ, ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಡೂ? As soon as he went to that girl, children, he talked to her. Behenji, ab theek hai. It's a Hindi terminologies, children. Here they have used the Hindi terms, children. So here, look at there, children. Behenji means sister. Ab theek hai. Are you okay? See, who is the Behenji here? Roma. Who said this? It was said by the Baleshwar Mishra. He asked her. He tried to talk to her, children. But there was no response and there was no help in sight. Because that she was fallen senselessly. Am I right? She was fallen senselessly there. That is why there was no response from her side. They were alone somewhere between the two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders to Mumbai. They are in between the two stations, children. Both the stations are about 5 kilometers from the place that Roma had fallen. Got it? Have you underlined those sentences which are very important on the extract point of view, children? Okay. Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5 foot to 50 kilo Roma gingerly made his way across the track, looking out for trains and searching for the way out. See, it has to be 5 foot to 50 kilo ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳದು. Yes, make a small correction there. It has to be 50 kg or 50 kilo. Make it change there. Okay. So what did Baleshwar do here? He lifted. Okay, when he saw there, the blood was flowing out the gash behind the young woman's head. So she was bleeding. Her head was bleeding with the blood, children, and so he was tensed. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5 foot 50 kilo Roma gingerly and made his way across the track, looking out for the train and searching for the way out. See here, he lifted the girl. Baleshwar is taking the Roma to the hospital, children. He lifted that girl and he was going his way across the track. Since he crossed the track, looking out for the trains and searching for the way out. So he crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sound until he found the road. So he went in the direction of the vehicle sounds, children. Got it? Because it was a shrubbery in the sense just like a ಪೊದೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಗ, ತುಂಬ ಒಂಥರ ಕುರ್ಚಿಲ್ ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ದಟ್ he tried to come out, children, and he used the trick to come out from that place, or he guessed the road just by observing the sound of the vehicles, children. So when he come to the road and he said, "My sister is injured," he implored the motorist who drove by. See, look at the sentence also. This sentence is also very important, children. This sentence has asked in so many times in the examination for the extract, children. My sister here. Who is the sister here? Roma Talreja. Whose sister is referred here? Here it refers to the Baleshwar Mishra. What happened to her? She was fallen from the moving train and unconscious. Got it? So he implored the motorist who drove by. Implored in the sense he requested. He requested the motorist or the drivers who were moving on the train, moving on the road, children, and who drove by. Please help me to take her to the hospital. And he requested the people who are going in the direction. Requested to help him to take the girl to the hospital. See, that line is also underlined there. Please help me take her to the hospital. It is said by Baleshwar. Who is the her here? Yes, you are right. It's a Roma Talreja. Got it, children? Okay. Have you understood these paragraphs? Okay. Look at this picture, children. As Baleshwar is taking Roma to the hospital. He has lifted that girl and he is helping to take the girl to the hospital. When he requested the motorist, children, okay, can anybody stop there? No. But no one stopped. Okay, nobody stopped there, children. So he was disappointed. Look at the picture here. Everyone are going there, but nobody stopped to take the girl to the hospital. So how come this incident happened? Who is Roma Talreja and who is Baleshwara Mishra? They don't have any relationship, but here he is helping that girl. That morning on December 10, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talreja arrived at the call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, taking and connecting to customers and making a new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Then, heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having a supper with her parents and brother and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. Look at children, look at the Roma's timetable of that day, children. She don't know that her fate come to this position or to this extent today. On that day, she usually got up. This incident was happened on the December 10th, children. That was December 10th, 2010. That was Friday. She got up as usual, and it was another bright day to her. And she was a BCom graduate, children, from Pune. She is from Pune, Maharashtra itself. And she had been working there for the 2 years as the executive in call center. Look at the working position of Roma Talreja, children. She has been working as an executive in one of the call center, and she was working since 2 years in that job, in that company. After finishing her work, her job is, what was her job, children? Her job is to connecting to the people. In the sense, they will make a phone call that you might have experienced that now every company are maintaining the toll-free numbers in order to ask any queries regarding the problems of that company, children. Got it? So in that company that he was working there, our job is to talk to the people with a phone call and making friends there. And after work, she used to make friends there, new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria. After finishing her work, she went to the coffee canteen, and there she had a coffee, where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. On that day, as usual, she got up and she made she finished her duty, and she went to coffee canteen, had a coffee with her friends, and they have planned for the weekend. Weekend in the sense Saturday, Sunday. Okay, they used to usually the techies or the people, the workers in the big cities, they will get the job in Saturday and Sunday, children. That is called weekend. They made a plan for the weekend, and that she was heading towards a home alone after her shift. After finishing her shift, she was going towards the home, children, and she was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother. She was planning to have the meal, night meal. Supper in the sense the night meal, children. She is planning to have the meal, night meal in the end, in the evening, and also that she had planned to talk to her fiancé Vijay. See, having supper with her parents and brother, and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. So, fiancé in the sense, this particular word is also asked for one word, children. Fiancé in the sense, the person who is engaged to. Either it may be male or female. Got it? Fiancé. Got it, children? The person who is engaged to is called fiancé, children. So, this was the timetable of Roma in that day, children. Got it? She belongs to Pune. She is from Maharashtra, and she is working as a executive in one of the call center, and she is a BCom graduate. Got it, children? This is a professional and the professional qualification of the Roma Talreja. Professional and or personal details, children. Got it? Let us see about Baleshwar Mishra, children. There, Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story, children. The lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP, is an unemployed high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai. Living with his two older brothers, okay? Yes, children. He is from UP. He is an unemployed high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai. Living with his two older brother, his job hunt had proved fruitless. Now he was trading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of the option. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future. But all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. Look at the timetable of look at that day of Baleshwar, children. Whereas Roma, after finishing her work, that she was going towards the home. He is also going towards the home, children. But there is no any relationship between these two children. He is from UP. What was the qualification of Baleshwar Mishra? He was an high school dropout. Got it? And what job he was doing? He was searching for the job. He is hunting for the job, children. Got it, children? So he is a very different story. He has a very different story, children. He is a lanky in the sense, a tall youngster from Mirzapur, UP. He belongs to the Uttar Pradesh, children. But whereas she belongs to Pune or Maharashtra. Got it? So, he is an unemployed high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai. He had come to Mumbai recently in order to seeking or in order to a search of the job, children. And he is living with his two older brother. His job hunt had proved fruitless. He was searching for the job, children, but he didn't get the job there. So now he was trading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of the options. See, he searched for the job. He didn't get there. He didn't get the job there. So what he did? He did the own business of selling the water, children. Water business. He did the water business, and he was not comfortable in that job also. That's why he resigned himself to that job also, children. He was running out of the option. He had spent his day with a friend. See children, he had spent his day with a friend. That he spent his day. In the sense, our friend jothe kala kalda and grabbed lunch and watched a movie. Grabbed lunch in the sense they had the lunch together and watched a movie, and also they went to a movie. Children, as Baleshwar boarded train home, he pondered over his future. He was returning home and he was thinking about his future, what to do in life and what job to do. Like this, that he was thinking about his future. Okay, on the way, thinking about his future, that he was moving towards the home in a train, children. But all he could now think of was saving the stranger's life. But see what he is doing now? Now he is saving the life of one of the girl. Am I right, children? See, so both of these two children, they don't have the different story. They have the different story, children. Okay, there is no any connection between these two children. But Baleshwar, though she was unknown to him, he came forward to help the Roma Talreja. Got it? Have you understood these two paragraphs, children? Here that we had seen the personal and professional details of both the Roma Talreja and Baleshwara Mishra, children. See here, whereas Roma Talreja was a BCom graduate, Baleshwara was high school dropout, and she was an executive in one of the call center. He was searching for the job. Got it? Both of them are going towards the O. Okay. Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So Baleshwar was lifting that girl, and he was requesting many people to help. But nobody stopped now. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arm. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over, and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. See, children, he was taking the girl towards the hospital, but he requested many of the vehicles to stop and help him, but nobody stopped him. Innumerable motorists drove by. Innumerable in the sense, countless motorists drove by, children. Drove by in the sense, moved by. But nobody stopped. By some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman. Nobody stopped. Some people just slowed to see what had been happened to that girl. Okay, just when he had begun to lose hope, Baleshwar started to lose hope, children, and he thought he can't do anything to save the girl. When he was losing hope, children, one of the person stopped his truck. A tempo truck pulled over, and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. Look at their children. So when he started to lose hope, children, somebody came forward to help him. See, these lines are underlined there. Okay, who helped Baleshwar to take the Roma Talreja to hospital, children? Yes, a tempo truck driver. Okay, a middle-aged man. And where does he belong to, children? Very good. He belonged to Gujarat. He was speaking Gujarati. See, children, here, mercy, it has no any discrimination. It do not have the discrimination of caste, religion, okay, state, language, like this, children. It comes from the heart, children. Where is the Gujarati and where is this Roma? Who is this Baleshwar Mishra and who is that Gujarati truck driver. So they are all helping at that particular time in order to save the girl. That is called the real humanity. Am I right, children? So, got it? A tempo truck driver pulled over and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. Got it, children? So, who came forward to help the Roma Tolreja, my dear children? Yes, that is a Gujarati who stepped out from the truck. When he stepped out, "Help me," Baleshwar pleaded, and the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Baleshwar quickly telling the driver what had happened. When a traffic police arrived, "Take the girl to Heroli," suggested the cop. "There is a hospital there." But Baleshwar disagreed. Heroli was at least 10 kilometers away. See, all of a sudden when the truck driver stopped, he narrated, he told him what had been happened to that girl. That's why the truck driver had helped him to get Roma Tolreja to his truck, children, and they put Roma Tolreja to her back to her truck, children. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had been happened. He narrated what had been happened. At the same time, one of the traffic police had arrived there. Arrived in the sense, who reached there. Opposite of arrived, departed. Got it? So, when he arrived, policeman arrived. And what did he do, children? "Take the girl to Haroli," he suggested. The police constable, the police cop suggested them to take the girl to the Haroli. Underline there. Who said this? Police constable. Who is the girl here? Roma Tolreja. Whom did he suggest? To the truck driver and Baleshwar. Okay. Why did he suggest them to take to the Haroli? He suggested them to take the girl to the Haroli because there was a hospital. Okay. There is a hospital there. He told that there is a hospital there. That line is also important, children. Okay. Who said this? Police cop. Whom was it said? It was said to Baleshwar. Why did he suggest them, or why did he tell them there is a hospital? Because in order to take Roma to the hospital, she was in emergency. They were in emergency, children. Okay? Yes. Even the police cop also showing the mercy. He is not making inquiry, children. Did Baleshwar agree to take the girl to Airoli, children? No. He disagreed. See, but Baleshwar disagreed. Why didn't he agree to take the girl to the Airoli, children? Why didn't he agree? Because Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away from that place. Got it, children? See here, Baleshwar disagreed to take the girl to Airoli because it was about 10 kilometers from that place. Am I right? It was about 10 kilometers. Got it, children? See. Got it? Yes. That is why he disagreed to take the Roma to Airoli. Then he said, "There is a closer place I know of," said Baleshwar. "Sir, I know the nearby hospital here, and Airoli is about 10 kilometers. Got it, children? He was well known to that city. It shows that Baleshwar was well known to that city. That is why he said so. There is a closer place I know of, said Baleshwar. So, there is a closer place I know of. Who said this? Baleshwar. What is the closer place here? Hospital. Got it? Yes. 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital where nurses helped to take the young woman in. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician wasn't able to do more than give the basic first aid. And he advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. See, children, very shortly, within a quick period, moment children time, they went to the nearby hospital. There, Baleshwar had taken the girl to the nearby hospital, and there, when he went to that hospital, children, there they got the first aid, because that hospital was a very small hospital and there was a lack of facilities, children. Okay, that is why the on-duty doctor, he gave only the first aid. First aid in the sense, Prathama Chikitse. And sorry for the inconvenience, children. Okay, see, the hospital officials, they gave you only the first aid, because that hospital had a lack of facilities, children. And the doctor or the on-duty physician in that hospital, he advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. She was very serious, children, that she was senseless. That is why the on-duty physician has suggested them to take the girl to the nearby big hospital. Baleshwar and driver had no choice but to move back into the track. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma stared and her eyes fluttered open. Because they have given the first aid now. That is why there was a little bit of progression had seen in her condition, children. That too, they just stared and opened her eyes little. What's your name? Asked Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of the track. See, what's your name? Who said this? Baleshwar. To whom was it asked? It was asked to Roma. Roma, she managed to grin out. She replied with a very sad way, in a pained way, grinned out. Okay, grinned out in the sense, Naralta, she said, Roma. Whom can I call? He asked quickly. Look at the lines there. Whom can I call? Who said this? Baleshwar. To whom was it asked? It was said to Roma. He asked quickly, fearing that she would black out once more. Why he was so eager to asking her whom that he wanted to call? Because that she may black out once more. The word, look at the word black out there. Black out in the sense, she may get faint again. Got it? So, she said, my brother Dinesh. She replied in a very sad way that she told that he has to call her brother Dinesh. Slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Slowly she gave him the phone number of the Dinesh. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. Quickly Baleshwar memorized the phone number, and as he memorized it, children, okay, he again saw that Roma went into the darkness. What is children? Yes, this is what happened, children. After getting the phone number, let us see what he did. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? See, who is Chacha here? Yes, the truck driver. Who is I? Baleshwar. Why did he want the phone? In order to make a phone call to Roma's brother. Because she said na. Because she said that he can call to her brother Dinesh. Got it? Baleshwar asked the driver to pass him the phone. When he requested the phone driver to give him the phone, children, that he passed on. So underline that sentence here, children. Okay, the red line is very important for the exam point of view, children. Got it? So it has asked several times. Who is the Chacha here? The truck driver. Got it? Yes. See there. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? He asked the truck driver to give him the phone, and he paused and he took. Okay, he made a phone call, children. Who was the brother of Roma? Dinesh. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at the marketing job at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar when his phone rang from the unknown number he didn't recognize. Dinesh Talreja was also finishing, wrapping in a sense, covering up his day in a sense that he is going to end his duty. At that time, his phone rang from the unknown number, from the number he didn't recognize, and he picked up the phone, children. Dinesh boy, a young voice asked. Somebody called. Dinesh boy, your sister Roma has fallen off the train and we are taking her to the Divine Hospital in Gansoli. See, the voice in that unknown number sent him a message that his sister was injured, and they are taking his sister to the Gansoli Hospital. That too, the Divine Hospital in Gansoli. Gansoli is an area in Bombay, children. When you got that message, children, what did you do? I am on the way, said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. Who is it? Okay, just I am coming there. I am on the way. That's what he replied. See, children, these lines are also very important on the exam point of view. Your sister Roma had fallen off the train. Whose sister here? Dinesh Talreja. What happened to her? She was fallen off the train. Why did she fall off the train? That she suddenly got pushed from somebody when she was standing at the door. That's why she was fell off from the moving train and got senseless and was injured. I am on the way. Who is the speaker here? Dinesh. On the way in the sense, what is the way refer here? He is on the way to the Divine Hospital at Gansoli. What is it? Got it? Have you understood this paragraph, children? See, Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? That is also very important on the exam point of view. Who is Chacha there? Okay. Who asked for the mobile? Why did he need a mobile? Got it? Like that. Should we move on to the next one? Yes. So, Dinesh also got the message of her sister's injury, children. Roma arrived at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center a few minutes later. See, Roma was brought to the hospital, children, a few minutes later. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injury, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. Look at their children. The doctors at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital also so generous, and they are also very kind. Got it? How did they help Roma, children? Usually accident cases are taken after the report of police, children. But here they had seen the extent of Roma's injury. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director of that hospital, children, he had seen the extent of Roma's injury. In the sense, the proportion of Roma's injuries, immediately that he had taken Roma to the ICU and admitted her without any paperwork. See, look at this. Underline that, children. This question is also may ask for 2 marks. How did the doctors at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital help Roma? Got it? Can you write? Okay. So, yes, they admitted her to the ICU. And he asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. The Dr. Anil Agarwal suggested Baleshwar to wait there, hang there, in the sense, wait until Roma's families arrived. Roma's family members arrived to they suggested him to wait till their family members to come. That was when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. See, when they are talking, when the doctor and Baleshwar were talking each other, children, they had seen that the driver who had done all these help has slipped away with his truck. Slipped away in the sense he moved away. Oh, I couldn't thank him, Baleshwar thought. Underline that. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Who said this? Baleshwar. Whom couldn't he thank? The truck driver. What does it show about that person? He was so kind and selfless. See, the truck driver, he didn't expect even the thanks from the Baleshwar. He did all these things. The driver, the Gujarati truck driver who had done all these help to Baleshwar and Roma to take her to the hospital, children. He went without expecting the thanks or without expecting anything from those people. So it shows the humanity of that man, children. Okay, what a kind heart that he has, na? Got it, children? Yes. So Roma was still unconscious, but her X-ray showed that although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wound stretchers. There would be no lasting damage, but Dr. Agarwal believes she could have bled to death had nobody helped her. When she finally opened her eyes in that night, her brother and fiancé were by her side. She could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. See, children, that she was not injured very severely, children, but that she needed some deep wound stretches in the sense stitches. Got it? There would be no lasting damage, but Dr. Agarwal says, Agarwal believes, children, if nobody had helped her, she could have bled to death. Look at that. Lines there, children. If Baleshwar had not been to that place where Roma had fallen, she would have bled to death, children. That's why she was so lucky. When she finally opened her eyes on that night, her brother and fiancé were by her side in that hospital, and she barely speaks. In the sense, she was unable to speak, children. She just nodded and fell asleep again. She opened her eyes and shook her head and fell asleep again. When Baleshwar came to meet her in the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated. On his way, Baleshwar had even revisited the spot where Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. Not far from the spot, a railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. See that. Why did Baleshwar revisit the spot there? Yes. In the next morning, Baleshwar again come to talk to Roma and her family members, children. While he was coming to hospital, that he had revisited the spot where she had fallen, children. Why he has revisited? Yes, her brother Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. That is why, in order to search her cell phone and handbag, that he had revisited. Did he found? Yes, the railway employee who was working there, he found her bag and cell phone there, and he assured to give it back. What, children? So have you understood these paragraphs? Yes, in paragraph number 17, they may ask like this: what would have been happened if Baleshwar had not helped Roma? Okay, if Baleshwar had not helped Roma, she would have bled to death. That's what that Anil Agarwal believes or says, children. And why did Baleshwar revisit the place where Roma had fallen? He had revisited the place where Roma had fallen to search her belongings like cell phone and her handbag. Did you get that? Yes. The railway employee had found that and he had those things with him and he gave back those belongings to Roma. Got it, children? So, on that day come and he asked, how are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. How are you feeling? ಹೀಗೇನು ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ? I am okay, Roma whispered. See, how are you feeling? Who said this? Baleshwar. To whom was it said? It was said to, yes, you are right. It was said to, very good, Roma. She whispered, in a sense, she murmured very slowly that she is okay. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. After a few days that she completely recovered, children. And she said, I can't imagine what would have been happened if Baleshwar had not been there. And she says, see, I can't imagine what would have been happened if Baleshwar hadn't been there. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Amazed to learn of the manner in which he had been rescued. See there, children. She don't know Baleshwar. Baleshwar also don't know Roma. And there are so many people in the train. Nobody has come forward to pull the chain, moving train chain, and to stop chain and jump off from the train to risk their life in order to save the unknown girl. See, look at the risk that Baleshwar had taken to save Roma, children. That's why she says, I think it's astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me, and I can never repay Baleshwar. She says, underline that line also, okay, I can never repay Baleshwar. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ ಋಣವನ್ನು ತೀರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾಳೆ ಅವಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಯಾಕೆ? Nobody will take this much of risk, children. ಅಲ್ವೇ? See, everyone are busy in their work, but this guy has taken initiative and took it very seriously and went to help the girl. Got it? So like this, children. So underline that line also. And he simply says, see here, I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that the people here are afraid, says Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. They are they fear getting trapped in courts or with the police. Look at that, children. Look here. I am new to Mumbai. He says that he was new to Mumbai. He was from UP now. And he noticed, and he says, why do the people afraid to help there? He says that the people at Mumbai are afraid to help because they fear getting trapped in the courts or with the police. See, in the previous class also that we had seen this particular question, children. Why did the people of Mumbai afraid to help? The people of Mumbai afraid to help because they fear getting involved in the police case and trapped in the courts. Got it? And with the police, by the police. That is why the people of Mumbai are afraid. This is how that he tried to help Roma's life, children. So why did he do it? Why did he save Roma? She needed help. Baleshwar puts it simply. Simply say that she needed help. She needed the help. That's why I helped her. That day it was Roma. Tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks, bleeding and alone. He simply says, that day it was Roma. Tomorrow it may be anybody, that may be you or me. So, she needed help. That I helped. Like this, we have to help the people who are in problem. Got it, children? See how these people have committed, how this guy has helped to risked his life to help the girl. Am I right, children? Yes. Have you understood this paragraph, this lesson, children? I hope that you have understood this lesson, and this lesson is very important on the point of extracts and 2 marks question, children. I hope that you have learned, that you have got the idea and understood the entire chapter, children. Okay, shall we go to the homework, children? Yes. Why were, I hope, yes, that you will write these questions quickly, children. Why were the people of Mumbai afraid to help Roma? Why did Baleshwar revisit the place Roma had fallen? Just now that we had seen. The doctors at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital are so generous, justify. Love and compassion are the true religions on the earth. Justify this statement relating to this lesson. See here. Love is Preeti, compassion, Karune. Okay. These are the true religions on the earth. Nijavada dharmagalivu. Yes. With reference to this lesson, in the sense, here they don't have any barriers, children. They do not know each other. The truck driver, the Roma, Baleshwar, the doctor, there is no any interconnection between these people, children. Although they don't have any connection, children, they helped each other in order to save that girl. They belong to the different place. Here, only the humanity worked, and that humanity has helped them to save the girl, children. This is how called the compassion or the kindness, children. Okay, you do one thing, children. Write the answer to these questions in your home and show it to me in the tomorrow's class. Okay, shall we stop here? Okay, thank you.